With the lyric that I don't know, I don't Ding 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 ding. Yippee! What the? What is that noise? What was that noise?
He attended Hunter College High School and went on to write for the New Republic and other places before MSNBC took a shine to him, leading to his current gig hosting the nightly TV program All In with Chris Hayes. His books include Twilight and the
What is that noise?
Please welcome my friend Chris Hayes to Live.
What is that noise, please? What could it be?
Chris, welcome to the show. It's great to be here. What's up, New York? You are such a, I think, typically measured person when you are on social media, in particular Twitter.
Boingy bouncy 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 boingy 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 boing. Ding 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 ding. You get on honey. You get on home. You get on we don't hang around, that's all. Jumping and down, up and down, honey. Up and down, play your song, babe. Up and down, play your song. We don't even make it. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. You get along, oh honey. You get along, oh gripple, babe. You get along, oh gripple. We don't wanna grow. Let's go driving in the car, honey. Let's go driving in the car, babe. Let's go driving in the car. We don't even make a sound, honey, now, baby, my. Grab a guitar and sing along, honey. Grab a guitar and sing along, babe. Sing, sing, sing in the car, na 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 na.
This is real. Okay, so social media in general for you has to be a somewhat complicated place because you do a nightly, largely politically driven television program, and you are just every night making some part of the American population. There's a few things. One, there was a period of time, particularly when the show launched, where the level of feedback was so immense. When the primetime show launched, I had a show on the weekend mornings, and then we started hosting a show on the weekday nights. And, you know, being a television host, or having a certain level of public recognition, you know, there's this great episode of The Simpsons in which Bart Simpson becomes a protege of a mobster. They hijack a cigarette,
Do do bum 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 bum. Nee 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 nee. Do 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 do. Nee 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 nee. Do 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 do. Nee 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 nee. Nee 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 nee. Do 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 na na na. Nee 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 nee. Seed. Delicious seed. Seed is so delicious. It's the best thing ever. And now,
we have Chris Hayes here from All In with Chris.
bye bye, Flea.
This is Livewire Radio. I'm wondering.
What the heck are you singing, Freckles? What the heck? What, Recky? Quack.
Flea sounds just like the soundtrack in the horror movie.
Yeah, I know.
Freckles, can we go now?
Anytime you want, but you gotta get through your grandpa first.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Better tell Flea proper farewells, right?
Goodbye, Fleabo. Goodbye, Fleabo. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Da, 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 da. Ugh. Ugh. Hold on, Dad. I have to turn off the video first. Do you want me to shut the door?
Yeah, why don't you do that for a little bit? Turn off the light, too, because someone...
Where is the light switch? Where's the light switch?
Just right around the door. Or no, around the door, the other way.
Oh.
That door. Turn around. Right on the wall there.
Oh.